Hey guys, it's Tayshawn Miller. Today I will be showing you all how to use my growth oil as a detangler. For those of you who have children or you yourself are tender-headed, trust me, this will definitely be a lifesaver. Okay, guys, so for those of you who already have my product and are wondering, I've already pre-mixed the two bottles together. So that's what I am using now. I will do a full in-depth detailed video on how to properly mix together my two growth oils and use them. So just stay tuned for that. That will be very soon. But for right now, I'm just showing you guys how to use it as a detangler because many people that have it do want to use it as a detangler for their children or for their hair. So I'm just doing a little quick video to show you that. So as you can see, I've already put it on her ends first, and then I went ahead and put some down to her roots. You do want to do it by section. I mean, my daughter hair is just like molasses thick, so I have to do it like this. Guys, I'm about to sneeze, so I'm sorry. Thank you. What was I gonna say? Yeah, so my product is activated by just plain old water, so I have to sneeze again, so I think it's coming. Oh God, I'm so sorry, guys. I've literally edited this like 100 times, so I'm not going to take out the sneezing. Just tell me God bless you in the comments. I don't know. But anyway, so as you can see, I've already activated it with water, and now I'm just going to go ahead and comb it out. You can see how elongated it is right now. And it's like my daughter usually will be like all over the floor having convulsions because she's very tender-headed. So am I. And we hate combing our hair. But with this, it just makes our life so much easier. You can look and see the difference in how it's been detangled within a matter of not even minutes but seconds. Okay, guys, so remember, I will be having a full tutorial coming up very soon, like within the next week or a few days. If you are interested in purchasing this, I do sell it on my Instagram at Lazy Girl Creations. You can inbox me there. Please don't ask me for my ingredients because I am not doing that. If you're on Facebook and you're watching this video, you can just message me and I can give you any information you need to know as far as that's concerned. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And again, I just wanted to get this video out quickly because so many people that have been ordering have been asking how to use it. So here you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.